Hi viewers, my dear students, welcome to the online classes. Good morning to everyone. Now today discuss about the triangles and its properties part 2. Okay, in this session totally discuss about the sums. Two sessions are remaining in this topic. So in the part 2 and part 3 discuss about only sums. Now first I write that one sum on the blackboard. Page number 97. Page number 97, example 1. In a triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 30 degrees, angle B is equal to 45 degrees. Find angle C. Very good question. Guys, now I do the solution. Triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 30 degrees, angle B is equal to 45 degrees. Find angle C. I draw the one triangle. This is a triangle A, B, C. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Yes, according to the sum, angle A is equal to 30 degrees, angle B is equal to 45 degrees. You find out angle C, that is a question mark. So, given angle A is equal to 30 degrees, angle B is equal to 45 degrees, angle C is equal to question mark. You know that the sum of three angles is 180 degrees in triangle. The sum of three angles are 180 degrees in a triangle. Put in the box this one. Yes, this one you write the symbolic form. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Come this side. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Already you know that value A value is equal to 30 degrees, B value is equal to 45 degrees, angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Guys, these two are the numerical numbers, should be at 30 degrees plus 45 degrees. It becomes 75. So, 75 degrees plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So, you want angle C 180 degrees, send this side this one, plus quantity is there, plus quantity send that side, minus quantity. So, minus 75 degrees. 180 degrees minus 75 degrees. Yes, it's 7, it's 5, 0, 1. It's a 105 degrees. Is it clear? Do you understand? So, in this question, 3 in a triangle, angle A is equal to 30 degrees, angle B is equal to 45 degrees, you find out the angle C. Just you are only one property apply, that sum of the three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Next one. Right. Example, page number 97, example 2. In a triangle ABC, if angle A is equal to 3 angle B and angle C is equal to 2 angle B. Find all the three angles of triangle ABC. Guys, first you study the sum in a triangle ABC. If given angle A is equal to 3 times of angle B, angle C is equal to 2 times of angle B, find all the three angles of triangle. First you draw that one of the triangle. Now I do the solution. This A, B, C, ABC. This angle A, angle B, angle C. Okay, given angle A is equal to 3 angle B, angle C is equal to 2 angle B. Find the all angles. You know that sum of three angles in triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles is 180 degrees in a triangle. Put in the box. So that means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees, right? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Guys, see, angle A value is given 3 angle B, angle C value is given 2 angle B. So angle A place I write 3 angle B, angle B place not any given angle, the same angle bring down, Next one, angle C value is given 2 angle B is equal to 180 degree. Since from 1 and 2. First equation and second equation is given angle A is equal to 3 angle B, angle C is equal to 2 angle B. Guys, it's form one of the equation. In this equation, 3 terms are there in the left hand side. The 3 terms are angle have same letter B, B, B. So that's why you observe the coefficients. This coefficient is 2, this coefficient is 1, this coefficient is 3. Should be add, that's 1. 3 plus 1 plus 2. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle B is equal to 180 degrees by 6. You know, 6 table, 180 degrees, how many times is cancelled? 6 3s are 80. Yes, 0 is there. 36 are 180. So, it's cancelled how many times? 30 times. So, angle B is equal to 30 degrees. Sum is not over. Why? Because what you have find out? 3 angles find out. Now you find out only one angle, that angle B. So from 1, angle A is equal to 3 angle B. 3 of already find out angle B, that is equal to 30 degrees. 3 30s are 90 degrees. Now angle C is equal to 2 angle B. 2 of 30 degrees. 2 30 degrees are 60 degrees. So finally angle A is equal to 90, angle B is equal to 30 degrees, angle C is equal to 60 degrees. The sum is over. If you any doubt, immediately check it. You know the one good property is no. Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Check it. 90 plus 30 plus 60. 60 plus 30, 90. 90 plus 90, 180. So, sum of the three angles is equal to 180 is clear. Okay? Now, okay. Example, page number 98, example 4. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. Find the angles. Find the angles. Okay, guys, first study that question. The angle of triangles are in the ratio 2:3:4. Find the angles. So, here given the angle ratios are given 2:3:4. That's why you take it that ratio how 2x degrees, 3x degrees and 4x degrees. Is it clear? Now, I draw that one diagram. See, I draw the one diagram. A, B, C. Suppose this is a 2x degrees, this is a 3x degrees, this is a 4x degrees. You write given the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. That means angle A is equal to 2x degrees. Let angle A is equal to 2x degrees, angle B is equal to 3x degrees, angle C is equal to 4x degrees. You know that sum of three angles in triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in triangle is 180 degrees. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle A value here 2x, so 2x degrees. Angle B value 3x, so 3x degrees. Angle C value 4x, so 4x degrees is equal to 180. So, these all are in the left hand side, x degrees is there, should be added coefficients 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. So, 9x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 9 here operating is a multiplication operating, that side is a division, 180 degrees by 9. 9 table is cancelled directly, this one how many times? 20 times. 2 9s are 80, 0 is there, so cancel 20 times. So, x is equal to 20 degrees. Sum is not over. You find out that angles. How to find out that angles? Angle A is equal to 2x degrees. 2 of 20 degrees, 40 degrees. Angle B is equal to 3x. 3 of x 20 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. Angle C is equal to 4x. 4 of 20 degrees is equal to 80 degrees. If you any doubt, sum of three angles is equal to 180. Check it. 40 plus 60, 100, 100 plus 80, 180. Sum is right or wrong? Yes, it is exactly correct one. Is clear? So, but in this different the ratios angles are given in the ratios 2 is to 3 is to 4. So, first let's remove of the ratios. How? You take it the one variable, that is x degrees. So, 2x degrees, 3x degrees, 4x degrees. Sum of the three angles 180. You apply, you get this one. Is clear? Next one. Okay, guys. Right, guys. Page number 99. Page number 99. Example 5. Find the value of angle x in the figure. Okay. As find the value of x in the figure. X in the figure. Find the values. So, see the figure is not mentioned the names D, A, B, C, D. Okay. Just I have completed chapter 4. Parallel lines. See this one, AB is parallel to CD. How do you know that? This line is mark it upside. This line is same position. Compare this, it's marked upside. So, indirectly given AB bar is parallel to CD bar. AB bar is parallel to CD bar is one step. Guys, I draw the two lines here. Okay. Now, I join BC. Here the BC acting transverse. So, you know that this angle are called alternate angle. Very good. Already given here angle is equal to 70 degree. That means here angle is also 73 degrees. That's you right here. And BC bar is a transverse. Angle ABC, angle ABC here equal to angle DCE, DCB. Simply write angle B. Wait, guys, come to the point. I draw the one triangle ABC. Simply you write this angle A, angle B, angle C, angle A, angle B, angle C. Angle A, you write another one, angle BAC, angle B, angle ABC, angle C, ACB. So, here what is the middle letter? B. That means, in this means, which one letter is middle, that one is make the angle. You have considered that angle. Angle A, you write this one also. This and this are both are the same. Angle B, angle ABC, this one correct. Angle C, angle ACB, this one correct. Some situation you have to take it this one. Why? Because is more points on that line, you take it this one. If not any more than 0.2 points of the line, take it directly angle A, angle B, angle C. So, apply here. Guys, you see in this line segment more than 2 points. Here BC is the 2 points, one more point is on the E. So, that is why I take it a DCB. DCB. Is it clear? Okay. So, that is equal to 73 degrees. Here the B, here the C angle, you are check it. But what you want? You find the x value. So, this is a 73 degrees. Why? Because since alternative angles are equal. Put in the bracket. So, in a triangle, see the name CDE. CDE. In the triangle, sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. You know that. That's name angle D plus write one proper order, angle C, angle D, angle E. Guys, if you doubt here, angle E means this side angle, doubt. Why? Because angle E angle divides this ED two angles. So, that is why I write the angle CED, angle CED. See, exactly that is one correct. CED. Which one middle letter is there in this case? E. That means here the E is make the angle that you are considered. It is equal to 180. Is it clear? So, angle C is equal to 73. Angle D is equal to 40. Angle CED is equal to 180 degrees. These two are add 73 plus 40. 73 degrees 43, 11. So, 113 plus angle CED is equal to 180 degrees. This is plus and that side minus. Therefore, angle CED is equal to 180 degrees minus 113. 180 degrees minus 113. So, it's cancelled 7 times, 10, 7, 6. So, 67 degrees. So, x value is equal to 67 degrees. Therefore, finally, angle CED is equal to x degrees is equal to 67 degrees. Is it clear? So, in this one, once remember that points keep your mind. These two lines are parallel lines. This lines is called a transverse. Transverse lines are make that alternate angles are equal. So, here angle B is make the angle is equal to 73 degrees, that is equal to angle C, that is also 73 degrees. Okay guys, next one, I write angles. See, you take it the one angle A, you take it that, suppose this is a triangle ABC. So, angle A, you write that another notation, angle BAC. BAC or angle A both are the same. Or angle B, you write that another notation, angle ABC according to this figure. Angle C, you notation angle ACB. Now, I write this here, once again repeated. CDE means sum of the, in this triangle, sum of the triangles is equal to 180. I write that's one. Angle C, it's no problem. Angle D, it's no problem. But angle is some problem, some doubt is arise your mind, I know that, that's one you write clearly angle CED, angle CED. In this means here write that what the middle letter here, E is a middle letter means you take it that inside of the angle. So, it's 180. 73 plus 40 plus angle CED is equal to 180 degrees. They both are add 113 degrees is plus angle CED is equal to 180. This and that side, so remaining that's one. Okay, clear? Next one. Okay, guys. Question number 13th, page number 101. Question number 11. The acute angles of a right triangle are in the ratio 2:3. Find the angles of triangle. Okay, guys, listen. You study the sum. The acute of triangles, right angle triangles are in the ratio 2:3. Find the angles of triangle. Now, first I draw the right angle triangle, guys. See, this is the right angle triangle. A, B, C, here suppose 90 degrees. Remaining two angles, that means angle A and angle C are what type of angles? Acute angles. The acute angles ratios are given 2:3. Suppose this one I take it the 2x degrees, this one you take it 3x degrees. Now you find out that's angles. So guys, see, I write in a triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. That means angle A and angle B are acute angles. Acute angles. So, that is why let angle A is equal to 2x, angle BC is equal to 3x. Why? Because the acute angle ratios is given 2:3. Acute angles ratio is given ratio of acute angles 2:3. That is why angle A is equal to 2x degrees, angle C is equal to 3x degrees. You know that sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. From the figure, angle A is equal to 2x, angle B is equal to 90 degrees, angle C is equal to 3x is equal to 180 degrees. Guys, this 90 is sent that side, 2x plus 3x, 5x degrees is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. So, 5x is equal to 90. Therefore, x is equal to 90 degrees by 5, x is equal to 18 degrees. So, therefore, angle A is equal to 2x, 2 into 18 degrees, 36 degrees. Angle C is equal to 3x, 3 into 18 degrees. So, 54 degrees. The sum is over. Okay guys, next class will be discuss about the remaining sums. Thank you.